Hey everybody, this is Cliff at CultureSpots, and in this video I'm going to show you what your visitors' experience is like when they're accessing your mobile audio tours on CultureSpots. One of the first things you'll realize as I'm showing you around is that we've kept things very simple and streamlined. Having really only 4 screens, it's easy to get around, especially with the navigation bar that's always at the top of the screen. So let's see it in action. To access your audio tours, your visitor just needs to open a browser on their smartphone and enter in your organization's pretty URL that takes them to your branded landing page on CultureSpots. From here, they can navigate the 4 screens in the app and access all your mobile audio tours that way. But in this scenario, let's assume your organization uses wall labels, so that when something on display gets your visitor's attention, the nearby wall label connects them directly to the audio spot associated with it, perhaps by displaying its name, its QR code, its pretty URL, or its unique audio ID. With an audio ID, no matter what screen your visitor is on in CultureSpots, they can tap the keypad button on the far right of the navigation bar, enter the audio ID, and jump directly to an audio spot. Now let's assume your visitors are also aware of a specific tour they want to take. In that case, they can always tap the Tours button on the navigation bar, or from your landing page, the Tours button right there in the middle of the screen. This takes them to a list of all the current tours you're offering. Once they tap on the tour they want, they'll see how many audio spots it includes. In this scenario, the tour includes 3 audio spots, and this takes them to the list of spots on the tour, each having their own unique audio, and likely a photo, name, and description too. Having all this available on the screen makes it super easy for your visitors to identify the audio they want to hear. Once they choose the spot, they can play the audio by tapping on the play button at the bottom of the screen. Let's pause for a moment and take a closer look. Notice that from here, your visitor can tap the arrow buttons to advance to the next or return to the previous spot in the tour, as per the sequence that you identified when you published the tour on CultureSpots. Or they can tap the Spots button to return back to the list of spots that are included in the tour, or of course start from the beginning by tapping the Home button that returns them to your landing page. The Home button there in the far left of the navigation bar always takes your visitor back to your landing page. The Tours button next to it always takes them to a list of all your current tours. The Share button lets your visitor share your tours and spots with their social networks, and of course the keypad button for entering an audio ID to jump directly to an audio spot. And finally, if you've published your mobile audio tours in multiple languages, the landing page gives visitors the ability to toggle between the content that's available to them in those multiple languages. And that's pretty much it. So, thanks for watching.